Hello students, now we are going to see a problem of 2a. As I informed, we have four different type of problems here. So fourth type of problem is one of the type of problem is defining and knowing the mean, variance and getting the value of probabilities and also standard deviation. So I'll try to explain something about the mean. Just before understanding, just let's see the basics of this. So mean, variance and standard deviation. Mean is denoted by mu or E of x. These two are the same. In the same way, its formula is PIXI or what is it? Summation. Summation means all. Summation of x into Px. Many members will have the doubt during solving of doubts how we have to use the formula. You will get. It's very easy. Variance. Variance is denoted by sigma square. This is also sigma and also other will use the sigma. It is written as formula is x square minus e of x whole square or summation of x square into px minus what is a mu whole square. Mu is nothing but mean minus mean and this is the formula. Very much easy. We will see this on the later class. Today we will be seeing mean and also something standard deviation also I will be saying on later class. You cannot grasp all the things at one time. So now let's see the question. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. So here is the question. He gave x value and probability value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and probability values are 0, k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square plus and 7k square plus k. So at 0, 0, 1k etc. Like this the value is there. So he have asked us three questions here. The first question is we should find the value of k. We should find the value of mean and we have to get the probability of the numbers between 0 to 5. Greater than 0, less than 5. Now let's see. First it is the k. We know all the summation of all the probability is 1. For everything summation is 1. As I said, a coin is, we have thrown the coin, the entire is 1 and for heads it is half, for tails it is half. In the same way for die, entire is 1. For each face, all 6 faces will be, so 1 by 6. So entire is 1. So entire P of probability of capital X is equal to x is equal to 1. So now in order to get the k value, P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 3. X is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 is equal to 1. Means what? Nothing. See here. 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k. The entire summation of all these values is 1. That I have wrote here. Summation of all the value is 1. After adding we will get 10k square plus 9k is equal to 1. Just bringing 1 here, it will be minus 1. 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are doing factorization. I think all you know factorization, but also I just want to say spare half a minute for that. How we have to take the factorization? This the number is there 1. It should be multiplied with the first coefficient of the variable into 10. 1 into 10, 10. Okay. That 10 we have to factorize. 2 5s are. Okay, 10. Like this we can do 2 5s are 10. So 5 and 2 is there, that should be add, subtracted or we should do anything to get this number. As we can't take with this, so we have to take 10. 10 ones are 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So 10k minus k. Minus 1 is equal to 0. So what are the two commons in between this? 10 and k. 10k. What will remain here? 1k and here nothing. So it's 1. In the same way here minus and 1 we have to take a common. So k plus 1 will become here. 10k into k plus 1 minus 1 of k minus 1. K plus 1 we have got. Now here k plus 1 is the common. 10k minus 1, k plus 1. 10k minus 1 is equal to 0 if we send this in the denominator, or k plus 1 is equal to 0 if this we send in the denominator. So 10k is equal to minus 1, if you send minus 1 there, plus 1, k is equal to 1 by 10 if you send 10 in the denominator. The same way k plus 1 is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 1 if we send 1 at RHS side. So k is minus 1 or 1 by 10. But the value of k entire cannot be negative number. It cannot be negative number. So minus 1 is not 1 by 10 is the right one. So k value is 1 by 10. So hoping that you have understood till k. Now the second question is mean. What I said before. Mean is what the formula I have wrote there. Summation of x into p of x. X and px all the summation. Summation means entire numbers. We have 8 entire numbers there. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers we have. In the same way, probability of zeroth number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All we should add here. See, just I want to show you the question. Nothing it is there. Very much easy. See. 0 into 0 plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 into 2k plus 4 into 3k plus 5 into k square plus 6 into 2k square plus 7 into 7k square plus k. All that I have wrote here. Same. Just do 0 into 0, 1 into k, 2k into 4k, same. Just after multiplying you will get up to here. 66k square plus 30 will get here, 30k. We know the value of k. Value of k is 1 by 10. So keeping the values of k, 66 into 1 by 10 whole square plus 30 into k value is 1 by 10. So square means 1 by 100 plus this 0 get cancelled plus 3. 66 by 100 is 0.66 plus 3. So 3.66. 3.66 is the mean. 3.66 is the mean. Hoping that you have understood the mean. Last but not the least, the question was get the probability of the number who are between 0 and 5, greater than 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 5. So the 1, 2, 3, 4. So same what we did the mean, same we should take but not all numbers. P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3, 4. What the mean for x is equal to 1? Just see at the question. K plus 2k plus 3k plus 2k plus 3k. Just we should add, we'll get the answer. K plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k till it is 4 only. So add this 8k value is 1 by 10 and we have to cut, we'll get 0.8. So these are the basics of getting the probabilities and getting the value of k and getting the mean. Hoping that you have understood. Thank you.